Horrific tragedies due to construction-related faults. Pleasance Power Station. On April 27, most of the construction workers were busy with their duties on the scaffolding inside the hyperbolic-shaped structure when the concrete started to peel away at the 28th lift, the previous day's concrete. Ever since the accident, workers have suspected that the scaffolding's concrete was still wet, which led to the tragedy. Fatal tower crane collapse. The construction workers were busy placing lateral tie beams on the 18th floor of the building to provide the crane with some support. Hawk's Nest tunnel disaster. They were dry drilling. It released large amounts of dust into the air, which made working in the tunnel extremely dangerous. Deepwater Horizon oil rig explosion. In 2010, one of the worst marine oil spills happened at the Gulf of Mexico on Deepwater Horizon, a BP-operated oil rig on the Macondo oil prospect near the Mississippi River Delta in the U.S. A similar incident had happened on another BP-owned oil rig in the Caspian Sea. Both of the cores used were most likely too weak to withstand the pressure due to the fact that the concrete mixture contained nitrogen gas to accelerate curing. Mecca crane collapse. In Saudi Arabia, a large red and white crane came crashing down into the Grand Mosque, the biggest mosque in the world, in Mecca, which was filled with worshippers at the time. The Sabra building collapse. To improve efficiency, the owners had to install large generators on the upper floors for the factory to be able to keep producing during blackouts. A day before the incident, cracks began to form in the foundations and walls. Rio de Janeiro building collapse. A building inspector from Rio de Janeiro's Regional Council of Engineering told a television network that he feared that there were illegal construction projects taking place in one of the buildings, which could have been a contributing factor to the tragedy. Apartment building in China collapses. Investigations found that the license of the company developing the apartment building, Shanghai Major Real Estate Company, expired in 2004. Kolkata bridge collapse. Another, more disastrous bridge collapse happened in 2016, when a part of a bridge that was under construction in the Burr-Bazaar area of Kolkata toppled, killing 26 people and injuring 90. Florida University bridge collapses. At the time, it wasn't clear what caused the $14.2 million bridge to collapse. 2 workers were on the bridge when it collapsed, and they were busy conducting a stress test on the technically unfinished bridge, tightening the steel cables that ran through the bridge slab sections.